Hello guys! Today is a cake recipe. This recipe is called coffee sponge cake. So join me in baking this cake. Let's get started. In this cake recipe, coffee sponge cake, we need 3 eggs. Be sure to remove the impurities on the surface of the egg, on the shell. And you see this egg, it's written here or stamped here the expiration date. So this egg expires on January 1, 2001. So let's start. I will use a hand mixer. This is an electric mixer. Okay. Let's add the sugar. I'll add now this mixture. This is a mixture of water and soluble coffee, instant coffee. Now it's time to add the butter. Sift first the flour before adding to the mixture to loosen the lumps. The baking powder. Sift it also, huh? $16 grams. Now it's time to pour it in the baking pan. If you have a springform pan, it is better than this. Okay, so 25, the diameter is 25 centimeters. With the use of spatula, you level it to make it even. In the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes. Here it is. The cake is done. And so I will transfer it now. This is the effect of having this kind of baking pan. This is not ideal. No, I use it because it's the one available here. Okay. You see this design? A cup with hot coffee. Look at this bay fork coming from the cup of coffee. And I use parchment paper. Okay, whatever design you can make. Okay, so it's time to drizzle powdered sugar, abundant powdered sugar on top. It's time. Let's remove the parchment paper. The design is not so clear. You can make better design than me. Okay, it's time to taste the cake. Here. Let's taste. Tastes good. This cake tastes good. It is simple to make, and in a few minutes of mixing all the ingredients, the batter is ready to be put in the oven. This cake is ideal for any occasion. Thanks for watching.